Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix desktop view on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, why are you having these issues whenever you're trying to fix or edit your desktop view for your Shopify store? Now typically when we go to online store here and go to the edit option here, so let's just wait for it to pop up. So usually you have the customization button here. In this case, in this page, you should be able to start editing your website. But sometimes whenever you click on the customization button, sometimes nothing would actually appear here. Or in this case, you're having issues with certain elements that you see on your website or in your homepage here in your Shopify account. Well, in this case, there are a few things that you could do to probably fix this issue. Now, one of those things is you have to ensure that your browser is currently up to date, or you've cleared your cache for that. Now, in this case, go to the top right of your screen here. Go ahead and click on three-dotted icon and go to settings. By the way, I'm using Google Chrome here, but the steps are quite the same for any browsers that you have there. Now in this case, go to the About Chrome here, and usually it will check for updates itself. So in this case, it's going to update itself, and from then on, once it actually updated, go ahead and restart your browser and see if that solves your issue. Now if that doesn't solve your issue, then you might need to clear your cache. Going back, this is where you'll be able to actually clear your browsing history. So just click on clear browsing history, and from here, make sure that the cache option here is actually selected. Now, once you've done that, we just need to choose the time range here and just click on clear data. And from here, once you've done that, go ahead and restart your browser and see if that solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, then most likely the issue itself is from the website or your site itself. Now, sometimes if you've just recently installed an app to improve the look of your website, sometimes there are going to be some errors on the application itself. Like for example, this application does not work well with another application. In this case, you need to uninstall certain applications to make your site work again. Now to do that, you need to go to your settings at the bottom left of your screen, and from here you need to go to apps and sales channel. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to go ahead and locate the application that you want to uninstall. So maybe I want to uninstall this one. So go ahead and hover over it. Make sure that the uninstall is available. Click on uninstall. And from here, just click on uninstall. And this should be now uninstalled from our website or from our Shopify store. In this case, go ahead and restart or reload your Shopify store and see if that solves the issue. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.